Bro, you won't believe this. Grok AI is back free. Use this site. AI's free. It will show you how. Just stick around.
Okay, so to access this website is a game changer. You just need to head over to your Chrome browser, and what you need to do is just to come to the search bar and type roboneo.com. Okay, so when you search on that, you're going to be seeing a lot of options. So depending on how you prompt it, so if you just type roboneo, to take you to a place where you need to click on it. So the way I type it, it just landed us in the interface. So you now see these options here, scan this, you now click on the login option. So when you click on that, you have so many options here to log in. It's either you continue with your email address, Google, Facebook, Apple. I'm going to go ahead and click on Google, because if I choose email address, I'll be asked to input the password. After that, I'll go ahead and click on my name right here, sorry, on my first Google account here to sign up to the platform. I'll go ahead and click on continue in order for us to get access to the platform. So you just need to give it a little time for everything to be set up, and as you can see, we have successfully logged in to the platform. And do you know one good thing about this platform? You'll see that you've been given 70 credit. All right, so every day when you come here at maybe by 12 a.m every day and you refresh it, you're going to be getting 20 credit every single day. This is how important this works. So I'll be posting the link in the description box, just so that it could make your entire workflow very easy. So when you come here, you can see this new project, you click on it. So when you click on this new project, I've been asked to invite friends. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this code. So let's close here and come here and click on new project. You have seen agent teams, agent plus canvas, workflow. I'll go ahead and click on this workflow. All right, so when you click on workflow, it's loading up the canvas. So let's click here to accept all the cookies while we are waiting for the canvas to load up. So it has brought us to this interface. As you can see, all of this thing like this is where it's getting more tricky, and you need to do it rightly in order for you to get a better video. So all these are already made template that has been added to this workflow. So what we just need to do just to go ahead and delete all of them, because we actually need to create our own from the scratch and we don't need all of this. So do well to delete all of them. Click on this plus sign. So when you click on this plus sign, you're going to see creation type, refine prompt, video comprehension, image comprehension, generation script. You can see text to image, image editor, cut out and add, image noise reduction. So when you scroll down, you can see the methods for creating your video. You can see text to video, you can see image to video. So I'll be choosing image to video because that is what we will be working on. Go ahead and click outside the box, and this is it. So you are just still going to go ahead and click here again, and when you click here this time around, we are going to be clicking on text alone. So you can see that this text box will also be added to our canvas as well. So you can see the text icon here. So what you need to do is that this thing is joined together, so we need to separate the text option from the image to video. So you can actually keep it anyhow you want it. So here we are going to be dragging the connection from this text to image to video. Can you see that? So when you are done setting this up, you just need to come back again and you click on this plus sign and click on the image option. So here you need to drag it, and I think that is okay. So this connection, they actually need to drag it to the image and video. So we are going to be using ChatGPT for our prompt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click here and come here and tell ChatGPT I want to generate a video. I want to generate a video, so I need you to help me with the script and also help me generate an image to use and generate the video for me. Thank you so much. So this is a prompt we are giving ChatGPT. So this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Wait, and I'm just going to pause this and resume when ChatGPT is done creating the image. So I'll just go ahead and click here to, sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and click to download the image just so that we could start using it to create our video. So I'll just click here to download it. Okay, as you can see, our image is successfully downloaded. So you come back to the roboneo interface and you click here to upload your preferred video, image. So we are going to be bringing in the video we just created from ChatGPT. Always make sure that this link to your video is very important. Okay, always make sure that the image is linked to the image to video. When you come to the text, so you go ahead and paste in your text here. If you need the exact prompt, you tell me, I'm gonna send it to you directly. So after that, you can see that this is our image here. Let me click here so that you guys can see how the image looks. So this is the image, and trust me, this is very realistic. So when you come here, you can see something like sedan 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the one I want to use. So when you come here, you are going to be seeing different AI modules for you to create your video. Okay, you can see happy or sedan 10 1.0 light, clean 2.5, and all these things. So the purpose of this tutorial is for us to use Grok AI. So let me zoom it out. So the purpose for us to use Grok AI to generate our content. So what I would need to do is just to go ahead and click on Grok. So I just click here to run. So let's wait for that to happen. So as you all can see, our video is being generating here. Okay, let me pause and resume later. All right guys, let's play this and see. So this is the email. Let me make it bigger. Remember, it was just 5
Bro,
seconds.
you won't believe this. Grok AI is back free. Use this site. AI's free. We'll show you how. Just stick around.
Okay, this is cool. This is amazing. I'll just go ahead and click here to download the video to my PC. Hi guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.